Guinea. Why in your mother's room? Why not? The fuck? Ciao, Putu. Yeah. Putu is nah, can't lie. Oh. They cute. Some people's questions are dumb, for real. And I would block you, Jim. Unless cuts out. If you ask a question and it's offensive to me, then I'ma block you. When did you get your nails done? Today. And this is my first time doing black. Like, you know, I'm a white Frenchy girl, but I actually love black. Like, it's cute. Where did you get your hair done? What do you mean, Ray? This is a faranta. Oh, you mean where did I install? I installed in Bram. Did Science see the video Babala posted? Yeah, because she replied with the story saying, y'all gotta go do homework on how I worry about making money or some shit. I don't know. But yeah, she definitely saw it. Saint ate that up. Saint always eats, brah. Like, always. It's because you have nga hands, you got nga hands to match your nails. Oh wow. Thank you, I guess. Any plans? No. I don't have plans today. Or tomorrow. Or Friday. Are you single? Yeah.